A tiny world beyond Pluto just blinked a star slowly, and that should not happen. The object is called 612,533, 2002 XV93. It is a small icy world in the outer solar system, far past Neptune, and it is only about 500 kilometers wide. On January 10, 2024, telescopes in Japan watched it pass in front of a distant star. This is called a stellar occultation. If the object had no air, the star should have dropped like a hard switch, bright, then gone. But the reported signal was softer. The starlight bent and faded at the edge, as if it passed through a very thin shell before the ice blocked it. That is the strange file, a possible atmosphere around a body that looks too small and too cold to hold one for long. This is not breathable air. The pressure estimate is around 100 to 200 nanobars, almost a vacuum compared with Earth. But in the outer solar system, even a ghost atmosphere can rewrite the story. So where did it come from? One possibility is a recent cometary impact, throwing gas and ice dust off the surface. Another is cryovolcanic activity, cold material leaking or erupting from the world itself. If nothing keeps refilling the shell, researchers say it may fade within about 1,000 years. That means the discovery is not only about one distant object, it is about timing. We may be catching a temporary sky while it still exists. The most cinematic part is how scientists found it, not by taking a close-up photo, by watching one tiny shadow cross one star and noticing the shadow did not behave like bare rock. So the headline is not, "There is another Earth." The headline is sharper. Beyond Pluto, a small icy world may have a temporary atmosphere, and the outer solar system may be more active than it looks. The next question is simple. Is 2002 XV93 leaking, recovering from an impact, or